Now, let's assemble the sunflower potted plant. Pass the stem through the middle of the soil. You can first enlarge the hole in the middle of the soil with hook or needle. Wrap the yarn tail around the stem. Then tie knots to fix the stem and soil together. Cut off excess yarn tails. Next, bend the excess wire at the bottom into a loop like this. First, stuff the flower pot with some cotton. And then we put the sunflowers into a pot. Try to keep the stem straight in the middle of the pot. Next, we sew the pot and the soil together with brown yarn, which is about 40 centimeters. Leave a little yarn tail outside and press it with your finger. Sew up the soil and the pot together like this. Then tie a knot with the yarn tails. And conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. Finally, cut off excess yarn tails. Now, make some adjustments. Such a sunflower potted plant is now completed.